Hey, what's going on YouTube? So, I received a package in the mail today, and we are going to do a unboxing video of that. So, here we go. Pretty big box, as you can see. If the camera stays in focus. Pretty big. So, let's see what we got in here. Okay. So, styrofoam, nice. Oh yeah, this looks good. And this is what we got. I don't know if you guys can see. Here we go. This is the Dead Space 3 Developer Edition. It is the special edition of Dead Space. You could only get it directly from EA. And I ordered, I think it was $100. You could get it without the game for $100, or you could get it with the game for $150 or $160, I think. I don't remember. I got it with the game, so that was a cool option if you wanted to get it from a different retailer because they have all the different pre-order bonuses. So, and let's see. Yep, so it's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this there, but this is the Dead Space Dev Team Edition. Let me turn off my TV since apparently you can see it there. Dead Space Dev Team Edition number 1857 out of 5,000. So only 5,000 of these were made, so that's pretty cool. Maybe this will be like Dead Space 1 Collector's Edition, which is impossible to find now. Sealed copies are going for like $1,000 on eBay, something ridiculous like that. And like Dead Space 2, which really wasn't. Got the collector's of that. I was kind of disappointed with it, honestly. Came with like some cool lithographs, but it came with the plasma cutter, which wasn't what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like a full-scale replica, and it was like this big, really small. But yeah, so Dead Space is like one of my favorite series. I have a tattoo of it, obviously. But so I really wanted to get this because I'm really pumped for the third one. So we'll show you. It comes in this pretty big box here. That's what I showed you, where it says Dev Team Edition. Here's the top of it. Other side. Sides are the same. Yeah, contents be destroyed. The scenario outbreak. So, well, let's see what we got inside this cool tin. So it opens like that with a hinge. It's got a hinge on it. Then you have this little paper in there, this logo. This pops open. Okay. So, silica gel, don't need that. So we have the data pad. This opens up like a little book. That's pretty cool. It's got a bunch of lithographs. You can do that. A bunch of concept art. Yeah, it's got concept art for Isaac, Carver, the plasma cutter, weapons. It's pretty cool. Yeah, like here's that scav bot. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, don't break it here. It's got a little ring binding, so I guess you can take them out if you want. Do whatever. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Little concept art booklet. It's a lot cooler than the normal concept art books they give you that are just like a book. So, put that back here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. This pops out. And then, what else do we have in here? Oh. We have the health pack water bottle. Looks like the little health packs Isaac picks up in the game. Pretty cool. Not gonna wrap that now. Let's see. Cardboard. These are little cards. It's like little art cards. Oh, they're actually postcards. Pretty cool. Paying Treasure. Is there anyone who knows the series? Know what that is? Warning: sensitive information. Do not open final dig site. Looks like some kind of journal. Let's pop this open, see what this is. So peel it off. So it's a little journal, drawing and stuff in there. Pretty cool. Slide this back on. Okay. What else? Oh. Then we also have a regular art book, like they give you in the with most standard collector's editions of games. Art book. Art, cool. And what else we got here? More cardboard. Poster tube. Pretty cool. Some art posters. These are like the posters that are hanging around, can be hanging around the ship and stuff, or like whatever area you're in. That's pretty cool. I always hate putting posters back in poster tubes, but I feel like they never work. There we go. Get that in there. What else do we got? So that's it in the box. Oh, there's Dead Space 3 under there too. Dead Space 3. It's in the box besides this. Contents to be destroyed in case of final outbreak. And this is awesome. A statue of the Black Marker. Pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got little red highlights in there. It's got all Unitology writing on it. It's pretty sweet, actually. Pretty sturdy. Looks like it's pretty well made, too. This will be a nice add to the statue collection I have. Put that back in there. Styrofoam everywhere. Okay. I guess the game didn't come with this. I guess that's because you can, like I said, order without the game. So I'm guessing the game's going to be shipping separately. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be codes for the game too, but I'm guessing that'll ship with the game as well. So was thinking I was going to get the game early, but obviously that wouldn't really happen in real life. But it was wishful thinking. So we'll put all this stuff back in here. Water bottle, paying cards, and then this little doodad. But yeah, so that is the Dead Space 3 Dev Team Edition. Pretty cool, like I said. It's a lot better than Dead Space 2 collectors. And honestly, it's a lot better than a lot of the collectors recently. I really like that they're starting to do this again. They did this with Borderlands 2. Is that they're actually collectors and limited editions now, where they're actually numbered. This one's only 5,000. I think Borderlands was the same. I can't remember exactly, but it's kind of annoying when a game says you're buying the limited edition, and then you see it months later still in stores. Like, I can still find copies of the Halo Reach Legendary Edition at my local Best Buy, which I bought, and it was cool, but they said it was a limited edition, when clearly it wasn't, since they're still sitting on shelves in stores. Just like the Gears of War 3 Epic Edition, which I also got, which is cool, but not really a limited quantity or anything like that. So, yeah. Dead Space 3 Dev Team Edition, number 1857 out of 5,000. Dead Space 3. Pretty cool. I would definitely say if they still have these available. I honestly don't know if they do because I pre-ordered this the day they announced it, pretty much, since Dead Space 1 is ridiculously hard to find and going for a lot of money. But yeah, I pre-ordered this the day it came out, so I don't know if they still have any available. If they do, I would highly recommend picking it up because it's actually a pretty sweet collector's edition. It's giant, big tin and all. Pretty cool. So yeah, once I get the game and stuff, maybe we could do a game review on it. But like I said, didn't get the game yet, so yes, it'll be playing another game tonight. Unfortunately, not Dead Space. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and subscribe, like, whatever, Have a good one, guys.